Assalamu alaikum, my dear brothers and sisters. Today I want to take you on a journey through the life of one of the greatest leaders in Islamic history, Hazrat Umar Farooq, may Allah be pleased with him. Known for his unparalleled sense of justice and strong leadership, Umar Farooq stands as a towering figure whose legacy continues to inspire us. Born in Mecca around 584 CE, Umar ibn al-Khattab was a man of strong character, wisdom and leadership, even before he embraced Islam. But his life took a transformative turn when he accepted Islam, becoming a devout follower and a close companion of the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. During his reign as the second caliph from 634 to 644 CE, Umar Farooq implemented significant reforms that shaped the Islamic State. He established a legal code based on the Quran and the teachings of the Prophet, and his strict adherence to justice earned him the title Al-Farooq, meaning the criterion. His leadership ensured that justice and equality were foundational pillars of the growing Muslim community. Umar's commitment to social welfare was exemplary. He introduced welfare programs, stipends, and pensions for those in need, ensuring that every member of the community was cared for. His policies reflected his deep sense of responsibility and compassion for the Ummah. Under his leadership, the Islamic State expanded significantly, encompassing vast territories from the Byzantine and Sasanian empires. Yet despite his power and influence, Umar Farooq lived a life of simplicity and humility. He was known for his piety and devotion, often inspecting the conditions of his people personally. One of the most remarkable aspects of Umar's life was his conversion to Islam. Initially a fierce opponent, he embraced the faith after a profound moment of self-reflection and learning about his sister's conversion. This event marked a turning point for the early Muslim community, strengthening its foundations. Tragically, Umar Farooq was assassinated in 644 CE by a Persian slave. His death was a tremendous loss, but his legacy endures. He left behind a rich heritage of justice, governance, and devotion to Islam that continues to guide and inspire us. Let me share some of his timeless wisdom. Umar once said, "If anyone among you is oppressed, the others should help him." He also reminded us that truthfulness is a trust, and lying is treachery. His words resonate deeply, serving as a beacon of guidance. In conclusion, Hazrat Umar Farooq's life is a testament to the power of faith, justice, and leadership. His contributions to Islamic jurisprudence, social welfare, and governance remain influential. Let us remember and honor his legacy by embodying the principles he stood for: justice, compassion, and unwavering faith. Jazakallah khair for joining me on this journey. Until next time, Assalamu alaikum.